everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another perfume breakdown video. So in this video I'm going to be covering the Sephora Favorites Travel Perfume Sampler Set. So this is what the kit looks like, and the price of this one is $25. In the set there are 7 sample perfumes to choose from, with a voucher to redeem for one of the full sizes here. These are all going to be redeemable for either the rollerball or like a pen spray perfume. In the set there are 6 that are a higher value and only 1 that is an equivalent value, and none are a lower value. So the first fragrance in the set is the Burberry Blush Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.25 ounce, and the value of this one is $29, a higher value. Next is the Chloe Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.2 ounce, and this one is valued at $28, and this one's also tied for the smallest size. Next is the Clean Reserve Blonde Rose Eau de Parfum. This is for the 0.34 ounce, and the value of this one is $25. So this one is the largest size, but also the lowest value perfume. And since the set is $25 and the perfume is $25, this one is an equivalent value. Next is the Marc Jacobs Decadence Oh So Decadent Eau de Toilette. This is for the 0.33 ounce, and the value of this one is $29, a higher value. Next is the Prada Candy Gloss Eau de Toilette. This one is for the 0.34 ounce, and the value of this one is $28. Again, this one's also tied for the largest size. Next is the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.2 ounce, and this one's valued at $30. So this one is tied for smallest size, and it is also the highest value. And the final fragrance is the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Perfume Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.34 ounce, and this one is valued at $29, and this one is also tied for the largest size. So here is a chart breaking down all the fragrances in this set. The higher values are denoted in green, the equivalent values are denoted with yellow, and any lower values are denoted in red. They also show the smallest size, largest size, lowest value, and highest value. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.